Prompt Engineering Training Session 52. Quality Boosters. Quality boosters are terms added to a prompt to improve certain non-style specific qualities of the generated image. For example, amazing, beautiful, and good quality are all quality boosters that can be used to improve the quality of the generated image. Example. Recall from the other page the pyramids generated with doll and the prompt pyramid. Now take at pyramids generated with this prompt. Prompt. A beautiful, majestic, incredible pyramid, 4K. These are much more scenic and impressive. Here is a list of a number of quality boosters. High resolution, 2K, 4K, 8K, clear, good lighting, detailed, extremely detailed, sharp focus, intricate, beautiful, realistic +++, complementary colors, high quality, hyper-detailed, masterpiece, best quality, ArtStation, stunning. Notes. Similar to the note on the previous page, our working definition of quality boosters differs from Oppenländer et al. 1. This being said, it is sometimes difficult to exactly distinguish between quality boosters and style modifiers.